Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Looking super crazy right now. Can't stand it because I get super dry. I don't know if anybody else gets super dry around fall and winter. It really stinks for me. So I get redness right here and it looks horrible. It looks like a red beard. I don't like it. I don't like it. So anyways, guess what time of the month it is? That too. But Boxycharm month. And look how big the box is, you guys. Look how much bigger. I have one from last month. Do you see that? Do you see how he's making the box better? That is so awesome. So before we get into it, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that is now $25 a month because he made the box even better. And you get 4 to 5 full-size products, luxury products. You get amazing products. Like, there's stuff in these boxes that I would not pay that much money in my life for those products, but then I end up falling in love with some of them, and some of them I just can't part with. So I love it. Boxycharm just makes me branch out, and like it made me go into like color. Like I used to do colorful eyeshadow looks like back in the day when I was a lot younger. I'm 33. So now like Boxycharm made me branch out. Boxycharm made me like pretty much get into like practicing my makeup skills and all that, because honey, if I would show you the past pictures and like my wings and all that, what a difference. What a difference. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm for your monthly subscription, there will be a link in the description. I can't say description. Oh my gosh. There will be a link in the description. Like that was so hard, Robin. Also, before I open this box, if you guys have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And if you guys end up liking this video, please like it. It lets me know how I'm doing and that you guys like this content, and I will bring more for you. And hit that notification bell so it'll let you guys know when my next video will be coming out. Sneak peek. Woo. So look at, it's red on the inside. Ooh, so bougie, right? Stellar is the theme. So when I look inside my box, this is the first thing I saw right away and that you guys saw. It's Boxycharm branded brushes. Oh, they feel really nice. Cute little Boxycharm. I don't know if you can see that. Because I need to cover my face up, please. Looks like a good, maybe a good contour. I might try that out. So that retails for $35 for those 2 brushes. Let's see how these babies work. So I literally don't like, I use a different foundation all the time. I literally don't like, using a, brush. I normally like a sponge. Like I love my Morphe Jeffree Star sponge. I use it every day. So I'm basically painting my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, which is a pretty good foundation. I use a bunch of different ones. I haven't found a holy grail. I haven't found like a complete holy grail yet. I did like, I did like this Rimmel London I was using, but with like my hormonal acne and everything going on right now because of my freaking crap. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. That is not too bad. So guys, I feel like that went on actually really nicely. I don't notice the streaks, so I like that. That's a good brush. So, and it felt nice. So I'm going to try and use this for the contour brush. I'm a little nervous because I use powder. So I'm going to see how this looks. Well, first I'm going to put it, I'm going to go in with the contour and then I'll go in with the blush. I'm a little nervous because it's a dense brush. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty pigmented. That's pretty good. I would say this would be better for cream because it's so dense. I'm going to test out and see what blush will look like if I just put it on this brush. Okay. Just puts a nice flush of color. It's very dense. Yeah, it looks nice. These brushes work nicely. So I just did the rest of my face makeup because you're never fully dressed without a highlight. You know what I'm saying? It's a true story. It's like I live by that. Anyways, so next I see in the box is these morning goggle eye mask, brighten and protect, made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. Ooh, eye masks. There's this one and an evening goggle eye mask, repair and relax, made with copper, amino acids, hyaluronic acid. Oh, that's supposed to be really good. And centella. Evening masks. So I have my face makeup on and I'm going to put the mask, but I'm sure these are great. They sound great. These retail for $12. So I got that in my box. Very, very cool. And next I have, something from, I love Juice Beauty. This is a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant rich botanical juices, work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Ooh, that is nice. I'm excited for that. And this retails for $50. $50, y'all, for this. Oh, okay. So you like squeeze this and then you just, nice. Okay, so I want to smell it and see if the nozzle's working good. Ooh, you see that? Let's see. It has a nice scent. Ooh. What is that? It has a cooling sensation. I am putting this on tonight after I wash all this makeup off. Ooh, I love it. Love it. I love Juice Beauty. So that is amazing, you guys. $50. The box is worth $25. It's cooling amazingly. I love it. I love it. Okay, and then we have, and then they're going to start putting foundation and concealer in the boxes. I'm so excited. So they gave us samples to try out which one matches us. Next, I have the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. Our Liquid Matte Lipstick has a very high fashion matte finish. I love matte, which envelops lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid. After a few minutes, it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. I love that. I love Dose of Colors lippies. Sorry, not a fan of their eyeshadow, as you guys saw in the last video. Sorry. Not sorry. I tell it like it is. I'm sorry. But I love, love, love their lippies. This is in the shade. It looks like I hope I'm gonna like it. It's called Flirty. Oh, guys, I like that. But they're right. It came on nice and creamy, and it's drying. And this retails for $18. So the last thing I have in the box is retails for $35. Oh my gosh, that packaging. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. Celestial Thunder. Isn't that packaging adorable? And it comes with a mirror. Cute mirror. Okay. I'm going to get my mirror dirty. And then this is the palette. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, I like it. Oh, and something I appreciate. Names on the palette. Okay, so we have Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, ooh, and Zero Gravity. This is Eternal Light. Hopefully a beautiful highlight shade. Please. Let me do that again. It's Eternal Light. Fireball. Ooh. Black Matter. Yes. And Zero Gravity. It's pretty. Lucid Dream. Storm Dust. Lunar Eclipse, which is pretty orange, and Mystic Ice. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, Lucid Dreams, Storm Dust, sorry, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. Hello, those are the swatches. That's the final look, you guys. I really like it. The shimmer is super shimmery for the highlight. It's really pretty though. I think this is a great fall and winter type palette, so I really like it. I love the lippy. I'm so excited for the Juice Beauty. I loved the serum I got in a Boxyluxe. Like, I think it was like my first ever Boxyluxe. All in all, guys, I really, really liked the box. Like, I love Boxycharm, but I hate brushes for foundation. So I was like really worried, but honestly, this looks good. Like, this looks really good. So I was very surprised by these, and they're cute, and I'm definitely gonna I will use these again, but these are a great collection. Like, you know, I have been subscribed to Boxycharm since, man, it's going on almost 2 years. Like, almost happy anniversary, Boxycharm, for you and me. I love Boxycharm. I will never, ever leave them. I love them so much. And this time, they literally did make the box better. I really like this lippy. It's so cute. But I seriously loved everything. What did you guys think about everything? Like, this palette is so cute. Such cute colors. Love it. Like, I totally get fall and winter vibes. Like, you can mix and match those, and I love it. And like, I wasn't even planning this, but you know, total fall vibes, right? But let me know what you guys think of this box. Like, I think it's really bomb, and Next month is going to be even better because it's Boxy Luxe month. If you guys don't know what Boxy Luxe is an upgrade to Boxycharm. You have to have your Boxycharm subscription every month, and it is extra. So it's every 3 months is Boxy Luxe, and they charge you an additional $28.99 along with your original Boxycharm subscription, because they put in your Boxy Luxe, they put in only like a couple items that they would put in the regular Boxycharm boxes. And it's always like, you guys always see my Boxy Luxes, they're bomb. And it's December, so it's going to be even better. So if you aren't subscribed to Boxycharm and Boxy Luxe, you're missing out, because man. But yeah, if you guys want your own Boxycharm, the link will be in the description down below. I hope you guys loved this unboxing and try on, you guys. I love you guys so much. And always remember, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. And you want to subscribe because I am having a giveaway going on right now. And we're almost at 250. So we're going to be doing a giveaway after this giveaway. My husband already started buying stuff for the next giveaway. So super, super exciting. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys want to check out the giveaway video. I'm sure my husband will put it down below for you guys to watch, because you guys want to get in on that. Also, hit that notification bell. It will let you guys know when my next video will be out, and it'll let you guys know when the next giveaway will be out as well. I love you guys so, so, so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye, guys.